Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in to Google Photos with the Google account you want to use. Once signed in, go straight to Settings and enable Backup and Sync so your photos upload automatically. Choose High Quality to save space or Original if you need full resolution, and set whether uploads can use mobile data. Make sure you connect to Wi-Fi, and if many photos exist, plug into power so the initial backup completes without interruption. Once your photos are backed up, organize them so you can find memories fast. Create albums for trips or projects, mark favorites, and archive screenshots or receipts to keep the library clean. Use the search bar to find people, places, dates, or objects. Google applies face grouping and location metadata to surface results. Make use of suggested edits and batch actions to crop, adjust, or delete duplicates, and add descriptive album title. To finish, share and safeguard your collection. Create shareable links or invite a partner account so someone else sees selected albums. Adjust permission levels for viewing or contributing. If you need a lost photo, check trash. Items stay for 60 days, otherwise verify your backup settings and storage quota. If sync stalls, force quit the app, clear cache, sign out and back in, and re-authenticate your account, then retry the backup. This sequence resolves most common syncing and permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.